Have you ever felt that your life is out of your control? That events happen to you, and you're not the one orchestrating them? What if I told you that you have the power to speak to the universe and command it to give you what you want? It may sound unconventional, but in this video, you will learn how to do just that. Watch to the end, because once you understand these techniques and how to utilize them, you can start creating your reality consciously. The key is to learn how to speak the language of the universe through your thoughts, feelings, focus, and energy. Align with the universe, and the universe will respond according to your frequency and energy. Now let's get started. Here are 7 ways to speak to the universe and command it to manifest your dreams. Your attention is your vote. The universe operates like a mirror, reflecting back to you what you focus on. Your thoughts and feelings act like stars on a grand stage, all vying for the spotlight of your attention. The ones you shine that spotlight on shine brighter in your reality, while the ones you don't fade away. You are the director of this cosmic show. You get to choose where to point your spotlight of attention. Not every thought or feeling impacts you equally. You have the power to focus on what empowers and uplifts you. This may seem unusual at first, but it aligns with the law of attraction. According to this universal law, your thoughts are like actors auditioning for a role in your life. You get to cast them in lead roles or cut them from the show entirely. When you direct your energy positively, consciously choosing where to focus, the universe has no choice but to respond in kind. The key is realizing your attention is your vote. Whatever you consistently focus on and give energy to, the universe says yes, more of this, and mirrors it back to you. If you don't give your attention to something, if you ignore it or see it as unimportant, you're telling the universe you're not interested and don't want more of it. This is incredibly empowering when you realize the implications. You have immense power over your reality and what manifests in your life. By directing your attention with intention, you influence what the universe focuses on and gives back to you. Let go of control. As you learn to direct the universe through your energy, you may be tempted to force your desired outcomes. But trying to rigidly control everything actually disempowers you and blocks the universe's wisdom. The universe has an intelligence far greater than your conscious mind. When you cling too tightly to wanting a specific person, job, or situation, you shut off energy flow. You close the door to possibilities greater than you could imagine. Instead, allow events to unfold naturally. Trust in the genius of the universe to orchestrate your life with greater imagination than you can conceive. When things seem stuck or unclear, have patience with the flow. Know that there are hidden reasons for delays. What may seem like a block now is actually preparation for something better ahead. Stay open to many possible paths for your dreams to manifest. The universe is endless creativity. If a desire doesn't come one way, trust it will come through an unexpected door. The more possibilities you open to, the more you allow the universe to work on your behalf. Relax, detach from rigid outcomes, and let life surprise you. The universe's plan for you is bigger than your limited vision. When you let go of trying to control everything, you allow its full power to operate and elevate your life. Focus where you want to go. Since the universe responds to your focus and attention, one of the most powerful things you can do is set your focus on where you want to go, what you wish to manifest or embody. From the moment you're born, the universe is asking you, what do you want? Your thoughts, feelings, and attention provide the answer. To effectively speak the universe's language, you must learn to harness focus and direct it with precision. Focus is like your orchestra conductor's baton, amplified through the universal laws. Where you point it, energy flows. The thoughts and feelings you consistently focus on and empower are the directions you give the universe for what to manifest in your reality. Choosing where to focus your attention is akin to selecting which sections of the orchestra to spotlight and bring to the forefront. You're giving the universe clear instructions on which energies, thoughts, feelings, visions you want amplified in your life. If you focus on lack, you create more lack. Focus on joy and possibilities instead. Focus elects and selects. Whatever you give your attention to, you instruct the universe to give you more of. Most powerfully, focus where you want to go, not just where you are. Don't simply focus on problems and obstacles. Instead, focus on the reality you wish to create. Turn your attention to resolution, growth, freedom. You may not be embodying those qualities yet, but you have the power to focus your energy there and command the universe to meet you. Your desires and dreams already pulse in the ether of the universe. When you align your focus with those frequencies, you tune your consciousness to manifest them here. This is how you speak directly to the universe in a language it understands through your unwavering focus. Speak in the present moment. One key to effectively communicating with the universe is learning to speak in the present moment. This may seem odd at first. Aren't we supposed to think about and visualize the future we want while speaking in the present? Here's the thing, the universe only understands the present. It operates solely in the now. While we can think about the past and imagine the future, the universe sees only the present moment as real. The past and future are like shadows, echoes of the now. Your thoughts and feelings speak loudest to the universe when focused in the present tense. The universe doesn't understand conceptual words and sentences. It comprehends the energy and essence behind your thoughts. When you react to something in this moment, you tell the universe, yes, I want more of this feeling. Timing matters greatly in the energy you send out. Thoughts focused in the now carry much more power than those about the past or future. They come straight from your core rather than as a wish or desire removed from the present. For example, saying I will be happy one day when X happens implies you aren't fully happy now. It focuses energy on lack and waiting. Instead, believe and declare I am happy now. I embody happiness. Feel it as your core truth. Your dreams and desires already pulse within you. The universe sees only the now. So focus on feeling those wishes fulfilled today. Bring their frequencies into the present moment. Instead of waiting for them, live them now. The universe will have no choice but to rearrange itself to match your energy. Speak to the universe through thoughts, words, and emotions focused in the empowered present moment. This is how you shape your vibration and command reality. Live in the feeling and essence. You are a cosmic conductor, and your reality is your orchestra. The universe arranges itself to match the frequencies you radiate based on your focus. To become a skilled universe communicator, live in the feeling and essence of your desires as if they're true now. Some people hope for a better future or make vision boards to manifest goals. But too often their energy stays stuck in waiting and wishing. They don't take the crucial next step, infusing their whole being with those desires as if they're real today. This is where most manifestations fall short. Hopes for the future must permeate your present moment experience. You cannot wait for things to change. You must shift your energy field now. Manifestation requires becoming the vibration of your dreams today. The way to speak the language of energy with the universe is to tune into those powerful frequencies. Feel as if you already have what you desire. Allow your wishes to saturate your cells, thoughts, and emotions. Breathe in their essence and make them a part of you. In this dance with the universe, you become a co-creator rather than a passive recipient. You participate in shaping your path. With intentional alignment, you can unlock the full manifestation potential of the universe. Your job is to resonate with those frequencies now. So instead of waiting to be happy, take actions that make you feel happy, even small happy moments. Rather than waiting for abundance, Find abundance in this moment, gratitude for blessings, joy and simplicity. Don't wait for a better future. Infuse presence with the qualities you wish to manifest. Act on inspiration. As you align with the energetic language of the universe, you will start to receive clear intuitive guidance. The universe often speaks to you through sudden inspiration, random ideas, or nudges that light you up. Pay close attention to these. Acting on inspiration aligns you with the energetic flow. Trust when you feel inexplicably drawn to reach out to someone, take a trip, start a project, or enroll in a class. This is the universe whispering to you. Following this guidance might not make rational sense, but it feels undeniably right. Acting on it brings magic and synchronicity. Inspired action has an effortless, energized quality. There is power behind it. It's exhilarating. Don't overthink it or talk yourself out of it. When inspired ideas come, just take the first step and keep stepping forward. The universe will meet you at every turn. Each inspired action builds energy momentum and sets larger wheels of manifestation in motion. You draw people and resources to you, creating a synchronistic ripple effect. Doors open almost miraculously. Pieces fall in place rapidly. But you must keep taking the next step. Don't wait for a grand vision of the full path. Just follow the next thread that lights you up. Allow the universe to guide you, delivering magic and connection when you need them most. The universe listens to your energy. You are a transmitter, broadcasting a frequency through the thoughts you energize and the feelings you habitually radiate. The universe does not hear your literal words, it responds to the essence of your energy vibration. Your thoughts and reactions provide the energetic substance that the universe reflects back to you in manifest reality. When you react positively to something in your environment, you tell the universe, yes, more of this. When you give your attention to worries, you instruct the universe to give you more reasons to worry. Even your dominant habitual emotions are a request to the universe. If you live in lack and scarcity, you create more lack. If you cultivate appreciation and wonder, you create more blessings to appreciate. Your attention speaks volumes through energy. Where you place it charges that aspect of life and instructs the universe to amplify it. Withdrawing attention dims the energy. You train the universe through your focus, what you give energy to and starve energy from. Use this knowledge to speak consciously to the universe. Direct your thoughts and reactions. Cultivate positive emotions. Focus your attention with intent. Choose which thoughts and desires to energize. Just like an actor auditioning for a movie role, you get to select who receives the starring roles in your life. Direct this cosmic show masterfully, and the universe will deliver bounty and beauty. Use your energetic essence to manifest joy and abundance. Align with your highest self and watch the universe rearrange itself around you. When you understand the universe's language is not words but energy frequencies, you gain tremendous power over your reality. Tune your energy field consciously, and the universe has no choice but to respond in kind. Speak to the universe through your authentic thoughts, emotions, and focused attention. Command it to shape the destiny you desire. Conclusion. The universe is always listening to and responding to the energy you transmit through your thoughts, emotions, and focus. By learning to intentionally direct your inner world, you can consciously create your outer reality. The key is realizing the immense power you have over the events and experiences that manifest in your life. You are not passive victims of circumstance but active co-creators with the universe itself. When you take control of where you place your attention, which thoughts you energize, and how you react, you send clear instructions to the universe for what you wish to experience. You speak the language of energy, and the universe can only respond accordingly. By living more presently, following your inspiration, releasing rigidity, and embodying your desires. Now, you align yourself with the creative potential of the universe. You move from merely wishing to direction. You become the conductors of the cosmic symphony. Armed with this knowledge, you can powerfully transform your lives. You can turn challenges into catalysts. You can command the universe to deliver your wildest dreams. When you truly realize your ability to manifest your reality, anything becomes possible. The time is now to step into your authority as co-creators. You only need to master the art of energetically communicating with the universe. Then you can orchestrate a beautiful life filled with joy, abundance, inspiration, and meaning. The possibilities are as endless as the universe itself.